Today we gather to honor and celebrate the indomitable spirit of our pioneer ancestors. With each passing year, their legacy grows stronger, reminding us of their courage, resilience, and unwavering determination. In the depths of hardship and uncertainty, they embarked on a remarkable journey, leaving behind the familiar to forge a new path in an untamed land. They braved treacherous trails, faced unforgiving landscapes, and endured unimaginable hardships. Yet, with unwavering faith, they pressed forward, guided by their dreams and their hope of a better future. Their legacy is etched in the fabric of our society, a testament to the power of community, sacrifice, and the strength that arises from unity. They built homes, laid foundations of towns, and cultivated the soil to create bountiful farms. Their toil and sweat created the bedrock upon which our great state stands today. But their contribution goes far beyond the physical. They instilled in us a deep sense of family, faith, and compassion. They taught us the value of hard work, self-reliance, and the importance of helping one another. Their lesson still echoes through the generations, reminding us to cherish our heritage and embrace the opportunity that lies before us. In their memory, let us stand together, united in our commitment to preserving our pioneer heritage. May we continue to embrace the pioneering spirit within us, forging new paths, breaking barriers, and leaving a legacy for future generations. As we celebrate Pioneer Day, may we be reminded of the extraordinary strength that lies within us, just as it did within our pioneer ancestors. Please share your family pioneer heritage stories. Each person who does will receive a $5 gift card to Cheesecake Factory.